So, Xiaomi just launched their global version for the Xiaomi 12 series, and the Xiaomi 12 here starts from a price of 2,899 ringgit for the base model of 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, while the Xiaomi 12 Pro here is priced at 3,899 ringgit for the only one variant of 12GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage. Now, you're saying there is an 1,000 ringgit difference here. So, what's the big deal between these two? Now, first off, from the looks of the Xiaomi 12 and Xiaomi 12 Pro, they both look pretty similar with a sleek and cool new design. Now, I kinda like the new outlook design for the camera bump for both of these phones compared to their previous one. And the whole back cover also feels a lot more premium with a rough matte surface. On the front, the position and the curves are also the same despite the display size. But on the other hand, I prefer this smaller Xiaomi 12 because it's so compact and comfortable on hand to hold on to, and it is super easy in controlling the screens with my thumb. Both come in amazing colors this time too, as there's the grey, purple and blue color variant. Now personally, I think this purple color will be the ladies' favorite choice. Let me know in the comments below what is your color choices. And despite of the sizes and also the similarities between the outlook design, don't be fooled. The hardware is totally different from each model. For the display, the Xiaomi 12 has a 6.28-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED dot display, while the Xiaomi 12 Pro has a 6.73-inch WQHD Plus 120Hz dynamic AMOLED dot display. You may not see the obvious difference between the display on camera, but through my eyes here, I can really see the color sharpness different, especially when you're streaming movies.
That's my brother, Will.
I could use some help. My wife needs this surgery. This is real life.
How's that right? That's my brother, Will.
I could use some help. My wife needs this surgery. This is real life.
How's that right?
Can you spot the difference? Not just on the visual, but also on the speakers as well. The Xiaomi 12 has dual Dolby Atmos speakers by Harmon Kardon, while the Xiaomi 12 Pro has added 2 more speakers for a total of 4 Harmon Kardon speakers. You also get a few other audio tuning options to choose from, or you can personalize your own audio tuning too. Now for the cameras, both are having a 50MP main sensor, but for the Xiaomi 12 Pro here, it uses a Sony IMX707 Ultra Large sensor lens, which means you get to capture more light. For the 2 other lenses, the Xiaomi 12 sports a 13MP ultra wide angle lens and a 5MP tele macro lens. But on the Xiaomi 12 Pro, there's both a 50MP ultra wide angle lens and a telephoto lens. So basically, you get the same pixels on the 3 camera lenses for the Xiaomi 12 Pro. And for the selfies, both of the phones come with the same 32MP selfie camera. So now let me show you some picture samples. So by looking at the photo samples, I find that both the Xiaomi 12 and Xiaomi 12 Pro's day-to-day camera quality are quite similar here. But of course, when it comes to the ultra-wide and telephoto lens details, the Xiaomi 12 Pro captured better details for the scenes. They also did pretty well in low-light scenarios too. So this is how both rear camera looks like on video mode. As you can see, the Xiaomi 12 is a little bit pale, a bit whiter than the Xiaomi 12 Pro. The 12 Pro is more saturated colors. Now for the batteries, the Xiaomi 12 here comes with a 4500mAh battery, while the Xiaomi 12 Pro here comes with a slightly larger 4600mAh battery. But when it comes to the charging speed, the Xiaomi 12 Pro supports a whopping 120W hypercharge, while the Xiaomi 12 comes with 67W turbocharging. And you don't have to worry about damage to the batteries because it has this smart charging feature where it learns users' day-to-day charging routine to optimize the phone's long-term battery health. So through my tests, I find that both of these phones have a similar battery capabilities. Both can last me throughout the day with just a single charge. For the chipsets, both have the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. The only difference here is the slightly less RAM space of 8GB of the Xiaomi 12, while the Xiaomi 12 Pro has 12GB of RAM. The good news is, for both of these devices, it runs flawlessly for day-to-day usage, and throughout my testing, I did not experience any laggy issues. And if you're a gamer, both devices run Genshin Impact smoothly with the highest graphics setting. Through an hour of gaming, there's barely any laggy issues, but there are 1 or 2 times where the frame rate drops when things get really intense. But surprisingly, both don't have any overheating issues. For the Xiaomi 12 Pro, you also have the Game Turbo feature that makes sure you get the maximum performance for your game too. So, in a 1000 ringgit difference, which one would you choose? Personally, I'm pretty in love with the more compact Xiaomi 12 here compared to the bigger brother Xiaomi 12 Pro, because at the price point, you get a similar premium hardware and also performance, while gaming runs smoothly for both of these devices too. But of course, for the Xiaomi 12 Pro, you'll definitely get a better camera, better display, better speaker, and also better charging speeds. So let me know what will you choose in the comments below, and I'm Joshua C. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.